thing.
We is on the video. We is on the video. Hey, 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 hey. Y'all see my grandbaby? Her so pretty.
I've been watching videos on YouTube just to see if you was talking to people.
Talking to people.
Yeah, talk to the YouTube about me.
Got my Boxycharm.
But you don't speak about me no more.
Cause I need to know the real deal about some shit before I speak about anything what you been going through. Got the note. Luxurious Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil.
Y'all, that's gonna be my box.
In Desert Rose. Let's pop this beach open.
See, can't even let you down. Go lay down with your papa. Come on.
How do you open this? Oh.
Say, come on, papa. I'm coming to let you.
Hey, it's cute too, yeah. It says note on there. It don't smell like nothing. This ain't pretty be her shit. She got me fucked up.
Girl, anybody leaving your bald head self?
Don't be talking to my baby like that. We got the Dr. Brandt needles, no more baggage. Wait a minute, how much was that note? The blush is gonna run you $11.99. This Dr. Brandt pores no more, so y'all can see. That's gonna run you $42. It ain't gonna run me nothing because I ain't gonna buy no shit like that. $42. What is this? A Chilla?
Girl, that's so cute on my phone.
Chilla Beauty.
Girl, she up under the cover.
Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream.
Wait a minute. Eyebrow what?
No, you ain't getting this.
Hold on. Y'all see my hair? Wee!
Yeah, fix it.
He said, with your little long hair. He said, that's your real hair? I said, yes.
How did you get in this motherfucker in a whole dice? Hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some pimping in it. Got the little brush right here. I can't get the other side open, so. Well, that's what it is. And that's going to run, yeah, $26. Eyebrow
By
cream.
itself?
$26 for this little shit, yeah.
Let me see it in my hand.
No.
You mean?
1.8 grams. 0.06 ounces. Bullshit. But I'm going to keep it. Put that in my eyebrow product. What? What she did, yeah. What she did. Let me know. Okay, I got the Wonder Beauty. That's going to run you $24. $24 for the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. That's it right there. Let's open it. Y'all see it? Right there. Don't smell it. It got a little smell, but not a bad stinky ass smell. So let me add it to my mascaras. Then talking about she wants some makeup. I gave that girl a lot of makeup, and her little big head ass boyfriend, baby daddy.
That man is not my boyfriend.
That little piece she got at the crib destroys shit. The nigga got a thing against TVs. Every TV they get, he destroy. Fuck that. Okay, now we got the Crown palette. Crown brush palette. I seen all those Crown brush palettes on the website. Why they give us this one? All them other ones look better than this one. And they supposed to be cheaper. Like, where they do that at? This is gonna run you $29.99 for this bullshit.
He look like a whole meal.
But I'll take it. But I want one of them other ones. They look better with all the colors and shit in it. They're gonna give it. Let's open it, y'all. Stay with me. Let's check it out.
Don't nobody want to go to IHOP with Deanna? I drive, you pay.
This what your colors is looking like. You got a little mirror in there, y'all. This what your colors is looking like. Well, look at her. What? You think I'm supposed to hand it over to you? You never gonna wear no makeup? Okay, we're gonna sit right here. You gonna need an eyeshadow primer too, cause you need your eyeshadows to to be right.
Can you teach me how to do all this stuff? So then I can be beautiful?
You are beautiful without makeup.
Girl, I know. See, I know. But I mean with makeup. Because, baby, I be getting all the little cute clothes now. I'm starting my whole wardrobe over.
Color boy. How y'all doing? Hey. Hold on, y'all. And I think I only got a few pieces.
What's this thing? Is that new?
It's Color Pop.
Color Pop?
No, I bought this shit. Sun's out, buns out. That's cute. Too cute.
What kind of balloons? Like bunnies?
Super Shock Cheek Stain. Satin. What? The fuck? What color is this?
Whatever color you bought.
Cheerio. It's Cheerio. We're gonna see everybody hate the Super Shock anything. But I'm gonna try this motherfucking blush. That color is beautiful. Ooh, girl, get into it. Ooh, that's beautiful, ain't it?
I need my room to look like this.
It's called you have to not have no children, so you can go to work and get it.
What you mean? You got children?
Y'all grown. Shit.
I am not grown.
Okay, I got the Soul Palette, and I got the More Palette. How you doing? How you doing? Let's check these out. Make sure ain't nothing. Oh, they intact me. There we go.
That one at the top, that blue.
Ooh.
Wait a minute now.
How you doing? See those greens?
Hold on now. That girl, that one.
It's beautiful, ain't it?
Girl, I seen it through the camera.
So stupid. She said, girl, I seen it through the camera. And let's look at this one. We got about 2 more. Ooh, wait a minute now. Why this bitch coming out? Hold up. I paid $12. Y'all couldn't put 12 glue sticks up in that motherfucker. There we go, baby. Ooh. Why it look like I had some on my face? But I'm about to play right with these here. Ooh, baby. Yeah, your baby crying. Her don't want to go in there with Paw Paw. Paw Paw ain't got no goodies or nothing.
I don't know that, baby.
Well, that's my small little haul, y'all. My mailman was running late today, and then the motherfucker banged on the door, and the door was open. Ditl was like, "Oh, you ain't gotta bang on the door." You know he was scared, y'all. Y'all know he was scared. But yeah, that's my second Color Pop order. I wish I could have got the, the Morphe, what old girl name is? I don't forgot that bitch name. But yeah, I could have got that instead of this, but I'll stick to the Color Pop. But y'all can like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to see y'all later. Peace.